Hi, this is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. Today we are working with the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Uh, it will work with the non-hybrid model as well, but this is V6 3.3. I already took it out the wheel, so replacing the CV axles joint and replacing lower control arm bushings. So ball joints are good, so only need to replace bushing. I found they have a same as well, but I found a different one, which is it's in self. It's like a ball joint type of thing. It's a different models they have it, and some are sports versions or other cars. They're using that one, and I'm gonna replace that one over here with the long lasting, because that rubbers always get cracked, and once it's cracked they start camber is off. So once it's coming off, then it will start eating your tires and disalignments and everything is going on. So the plan is hardest one is this one and other one is longer one. So I already have a axles. This is use 12 phase 30 millimeter 12 phase socket, and I already lube it, and then still it's make a little bit this line or something like a they are like they chew the thread, but I'm not using it, so I'm not worried about it. But if you're using it again some scenario, so you have to use a rethreading stuff to make it easy, although it will go perfectly fine because that nut will be over here to here, so you don't have to worry about it that much, but still it's a safety. Secondly, you have to pull the axles, you have to pull the ball joints, which is like 17 millimeter. It should be 17 millimeter over here. I cannot see it, but 17, two nuts and one bolt. That will be 18 and 19 maybe. I'll check it. So the point for making a video is like over here they have a shield. That's what I'm trying to make a video for it, and for that, if your socket cannot go, you have to remove that shield. Another problem is come over here on the transmission side. You have to remove the mount. So for removing the mount, you have to remove bolts, and then there will be one nut over here. You have to remove it to remove the lower arm, which have this bolt over here, and second will be, I cannot see it, but second will be on the other end. Maybe the camera can focus it. So you get the idea. So for that thing you have to remove this mounts and put it on jack. So, or you can hang up. You have to make a straight for removing the lower control arm, and I'm doing a axles as well, so I have to be very careful to not to come. I have to keep it engine up, because if it's flow down, oil will be coming down from there, which I'm not in mood to make it oil change and everything right now. So whenever you're doing it, keep it in mind that sometimes you expect something else and you get in front of. By the way, this setup is on the V6 Camrys as well, and some of Sienna's, Toyota Sienna, that's also this type of setup. So if you're doing it those cars as well, so you have to be make sure that this one has to be moved to make it better access. And once you're doing a CV axles, you have to keep it engine up from here to not to come oil from here. So what I'll gonna do is first I'll start change the CV joint and then I'll remove the axle. That's my plan, or I'll pull the engine up and do it once. So it's not a big issue, it's up to you. Better is like remove everything, change it everything fast. So it's up to you now. This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. Today as usual I'm at home working from home, so this has to be fixed. Thank you for watching. This is Shahrukh from Auto Service Provider. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.